Hey guys, just cutting back in here for a part 3 on this Kenworth book. It's probably an 848, I guess, or 849. Pre-made. Those guys took one of the big huge Pacifics and did something with it. I can't recall what it was. Well, if that isn't a Modillo 71 parked next to the shop. Yeah, when 8-foot stakes aren't high enough, do 10s or 12s. Love it. Oh, that one stayed home that day. Yeah, take that in, how big those bunks and stakes are. We're not hauling on the I-5 anymore. Oh, what's those colors? Is that not Lafarge, Gemco, or what? Oh, the colors, I know them. They had concrete trucks in Vancouver back in the day. That's a transfer truck. I'm not hauling a transfer trailer. It's got the high lift gate there, and they have, well, I can't say they have a wide box, but it's got to be a few inches wider than a normal one. That's medicine. Just making sure you're getting your dose. Well, that one's got the look. One with the Medill 09 behind it. Can't quite see a name on it. I think that's just a 225. Alliford Bay. Medill 3800 log loader. Set up for grappling heel. Because here they can get it's called a button top. It's a whirly-giggy spinny grapple that's for doing multi-stems and turning them butt or top ahead. This truck I've YouTubed before. Okay, it was one of the inner four from the Hope Empire Logging Division till it got shut down in 2002. And it re-emerged as a private truck or owner-operator. Truck hauling a truck, drill rig. We got a grapple skidder. Probably Cat 535. Oh, I just remembered that this sparked it. The color of the truck I was trying to say was, oh shoot, oh man, I love being 50. I just had it. I will ponder on this for a second. I just had it. I had the name. Was it Lehigh? Yeah, I think Lehigh. Or no, Genstar. Genstar. Maybe that was it. That's a Vancouver Island truck. I've seen it before in photos. That was a Squamish truck. Yeah. Bruce Burritt and Son. Closest you'll see to a BJ in the Bear truck. No one under 45 will know what that means. except for the dromedary on the back of the motel. That's that same truck again that was X-Inter 4. And our last one, LW. Okay, so we got through another book. Thanks for hanging out.